So, Keith, tell us about this car that you're selling today.
Well, this was my 1992 Jaguar XJS
Right,
V12.
right.
Have had it for 18 years and
Wow.
decided that we needed some more room for another vehicle to go in our garage. And
Right.
looked online and I gave Dennis a call and he came out and he gave me a super great price.
Great.
And I'm
great.
really happy.
Well, thank you. So tell us, it's got interesting ownership history and interesting low mileage. Tell us about that.
Well, basically just used the vehicle for the weekend drives. So
Right.
never did use it for much else besides that. And over time it was time to get rid of it.
Right. So this was your dad's car.
Oh yeah, this is my dad's car right here.
Okay.
Yeah,
And he bought it when it was just a baby, right?
that's right.
And then-
Absolutely.
And then what is the mileage? Mileage is very low. What's the mileage on the car?
Oh, the mileage is 52,000 for a
Wow.
1992.
Wow. So it looks
52,000. Would you believe that?
it's got a little dust on it, but it
Yep.
looks pretty good for for its age.
I believe when we first got it, it may have been maybe 40,000 on it. So
Wow.
didn't
Wow.
put much on it ourselves.
Wow, it looks pretty good. So, Keith, why did you decide to sell to a dealer as opposed to selling it privately?
Well, I didn't want to have to deal with all the paperwork hassle. Okay, that's number one.
Right.
When you came out here, you did everything right here, nice, smooth, and clean, and
Right.
the transaction was very fast. And and I wanted to deal with somebody reputable.
Right. Well,
Didn't want to have to deal with somebody that's coming that wasn't for real.
right. Well, we really appreciate that. So, how did you find Dennis at Dennis Buys Cars?
Online.
Online. Okay, great. So you did an online search,
That's correct.
and do you remember what it was that you typed in when you did the online search?
I believe it was classics. I put in classics for sale and classic buyers, both.
Classic buyers or
And sellers, both. I did both.
classic car buyers and
Yeah,
sellers?
classic car buyers and sellers, right.
Classic car buyers and sellers.
sellers,
Awesome.
that's correct.
Hey, it worked.
Yeah.
And it put us together. Well, Keith, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. And anytime you guys need any help car-wise, just give us a call. Let us know.
Okay, no problem, Dennis. I really appreciate you taking your time to come out here and help us.
Thank you. I
All right.
appreciate it. And thank you.
Nice doing business with you.
Thank you. Likewise.